Hello, my third grade friends, and we are reviewing day 1 of week 11 on our math review. So the first thing's always the same. You pick up your pencil and you write down your name. Okay, so I have my name on my paper. Okay, let's get started. So if you did this on another page, that's totally fine. This was sent home in your packets. So you can use this as long as you use the spaces to show your work. Remember, spend 10 minutes on trying to solve it, and now checking your answers. If you get answers, if you miss answers, then try to correct it. Okay, if 4 students read 4 books, how many books did the students read in all? Write an equation and solve the problem. Okay, so, well, I'm not sure what this would look like. So if I have, I'm gonna draw 4 little students. Okay, here are my 4 students. Okay, and they each have 4 books. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I know the answer if I count all these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It equals 16. Okay, but now how do I set this up as an equation? So the question, here's a really important number: 4. 4 students or 4 groups of 4 books. Okay, so our equation would be 4 times 4 equals 16. So I went ahead and solved it by drawing a picture first to understand what was going on, and then I solved it. Maybe you did it a different way, and that's totally fine. What time is shown on the clock? Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to draw. Here's 1. This is like 5, and here's my 10 minutes, right? Because we're looking for minutes. And now I'm going to draw 5 little dashes. 1, 2, 3, actually 4. Okay, do you see how I drew that? Now if I look at the shorthand, and the shorthand, I'm going to color it in yellow right now, is past the 1 but not to the 2, so I know that it's at least 1. That's the hour. And the longhand, this one's a complicated one because they're kind of lined up on one another. Okay, if I look where the longhand is, that is at, oh, I know that if I count by 5s, like 5, 10, 15, so this is 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it's 1:07. Do you see how I had to draw in my little minutes underneath? So it's not 5:01 or 5:02, it's 5:07 because now the longhand is pointing to the minutes. Okay, 211 plus 418. So I'm going to do a break apart method. So I know 211 is really 200 and a 10 and a 1. And the 418 is really 400, a 10, and an 8 if I break it apart. Oops, come on, focus. Now I can solve. Okay, 1 plus 8 is 9. 10 plus 10 is, that's easy, that's 20. And 200 plus 400 is 600. So now, if this is in an expanded form, I know that 600 plus 20 plus 9 is 629. So please show your work on that one. Okay, 2 times 0. That's 2 groups of 0. That means it's 0. Anything times 0 is always going to be 0. 2 times 8, or 2 groups of 8. You could also write this as 8 plus 8, right? Because that's 2 groups of 8. That's 16. 6 times 2. So that's 6 groups of 2. Or I could also know that if I use the, what is the commutative property, that I can reverse these. So that would either be 6 plus 6, like 2 groups of 6, or it would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Well, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 12, and 6 plus 6 is also 12. So, do you see how I figured out that? Hopefully you did. The word of the day is going to be jolly. Okay, so please correct your answers. Make sure that they're correct before turning them in, and then take a picture of this and get that turned in. Okay, and where is my mouse? Okay, until next time, we'll see you later.